Hi, welcome to this course Agentforce Made Easy. My name is Subbarao. I am a Salesforce certified Agentforce specialist. I have 9 years of experience in Salesforce technologies. If you want to learn how to bring the power of AI driven agents into Salesforce, you are in the right place. In this course, I will start from the very basics what Agentforce is, why it matters, and how it fits into the Salesforce ecosystem. Then we will move step by step into building, customizing, and deploying agents that can make your work faster, smarter, and more productive. This course is designed with beginners in mind. So don't worry if you are new to AI or Salesforce automation. We will walk through everything together with hands on examples and practical demos. By the end of this course, you will not only understand the fundamentals of Agentforce, but you will also be able to configure, deploy, and optimize your own AI agents to solve real world business challenges. So, let's get started.